Okay, so here's the cilantro. I already have it washed. I washed it 3 times and we're ready to put it in the food processor. So the one thing that you're going to add to this is some olive oil. Okay, if you don't have olive oil, try using the oil that you have, but I recommend olive oil. Okay, alright, so let me get my olive oil down here. I'm sorry for reaching over. I have my olive oil. It says pure Mediterranean olive oil. Okay, alright, so we're going to put the cilantro in. Just spread it around the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can cut it up very, very fine and use it that way. Or maybe you have a Ninja or a Bullet. Any one of those tools will work. Oh, and let me show you this. See how long I left the stems? It's okay to use that. I just cut off the end that had the roots, alright? Because it's getting processed, so it's all going to get ground down. So why not use that? Okay, all our cilantro is in. I'm going to put the top on it, lock it down. Oh wait, I forgot my olive oil. Okay, you're gonna ask me how much. Not much. So this is how I do it, okay? I count at a slow 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3. And you notice that I moved it around the food processor as I was counting. Now I'm going to leave that right there because I may need more. You'll see the moment that it starts to turn. If it's turning easily, you're good. If it looks like it's struggling and it needs some more liquid, we're going to add some more olive oil, okay? Okay, and let me forewarn you that the food processor is loud, okay? Alright, here we go. Yeah, I'm going to add some more oil because the oil is what preserves it. Okay, so I'm going to do that again, the 3 count. Look, 1, 2, 3. Now you notice I didn't have the bottle turned all the way down. I have it sideways, okay, so I can control the amount. Okay, let's put the top back on. Now once you get enough oil, it'll move pretty fast. So let's check this out. Okay, I'm going to scrape it down on the sides and then give it one last spin. Here we go. Okay. And let me show you. Okay, so you see it's falling pretty heavy, right? It's not watery. It's sticking together. Okay? That's going to be our cilantro paste. So I'm going to put the rest in a bowl and then we'll be right back. Okay, originally I was gonna show you how to make the garlic paste and the cilantro paste all in the same video. But I thought about that. Maybe you might want to just see one at a time, so that if you're not cooking, if you need cilantro, you can just watch the cilantro video. If you need the garlic paste, you can watch just that. So that's what I'm going to do. So here's the cilantro paste. I put it in these 2 containers. This is one bunch. It cost me 99 cents for the bunch, which is these 2 containers. So one I'm going to put in the so that you can see that. And let me see if I can get a thumbnail with this. There we go. Is that better? Okay. So one you can put in the freezer, and one you keep in your refrigerator, because this amount of cilantro you would use for more than one dish. Okay? Alright, so this is your cilantro. How about that? You know what a great flavor cilantro can bring to your dish. Okay? Alright, so let me give you the word of the day. 1 second. Okay, so I have a Patreon on my channel, which I'm asking if you could donate $4 a month towards the support of this channel, and that would include food, equipment, supplies, everything it takes to make it happen. Okay, that would be appreciative. I also have a GoFundMe for the same purpose. And also, if you would be so kind, if you like what I bring you, if I bring you some excitement, please let me know what you want me to bring you or to do. Someone asked for gumbo. I'm gonna make some gumbo. Okay, so anything you request, let me know, and if I can do it, I'll make it happen. Okay, because I'm all for you. Okay, alright, and hit that like button if you like the videos. Subscribe and tell someone. Share the video. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. Let's see. Life can be something else at times. Oh, it can beat us up. At times it makes us happy. At times it makes us sad. At times it has us crying. Life, and you just never know which way it's gonna go when you wake up in the morning. You may think you have it all figured out that day, and maybe you do, but maybe you don't. You know, all it takes is a piece of mail to come in that day that is not pleasing, or you get some bad news, or something happened to a family member, or you hear about death in the family. Life. And unfortunately, we can only control a very small portion of our life and what happens to us during our life. So don't get excited and worried. Always stay calm and take this stuff in slowly. Absorb it slowly, and remember, this is already planned out, and the only thing you can do is control how you react to it. Okay, so react in a way that it doesn't physically affect you, because at the end of it all, you have to be intact and you have to deal with the problem. Alright, life, you just can't predict it. Okay, catch me on the next video. I'm going to show you how to make garlic paste. This is something that, you know, when you get ready to cook, I want you to pull it out and sit it on your counter, and you can use a little here and there to flavor up things. Okay, alright, see you on the next video.